Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the sensor visualization program for Polaris GEM E2 vehicle, as well as how to use this joystick to control this vehicle. So if you want to control the vehicle, use your own program. It's the similar things that you just send the similar commands to control the steering wheel as well as the brake and acceleration to control this vehicle. So for demo, I just use this joystick to control this vehicle. The first things, let's introduce what software is installed on this system. So it is highly not recommended for you to do the system update or system upgrade because it may break the ROS repo. So just do not do the sudo app update or upgrade. Do not do it. If you really want to do it, just ask for your TA for some help. In this system, we reinstalled ROS Kinetic, and the ROS Kinetic in default is using Python 2, not Python 3. And we also installed CUDA 10. So we have already compiled OpenCV 3.4.7 with the actual modules for C++ and Python program for the ROS. Let's close this. First, we want to make sure all the USB devices are connected. So open a terminal and let's do ls USB. So you can see the Kavaza USB to CAN converter is connected through the USB port, and our Logitech joystick F310 gamepad is also connected. So let's close this terminal. In order to launch the sensor visualization program, just double-click the icon on the desktop. So let's wait for a second, and we will see the image here. Let's go back to the terminal. There may some like yellow warnings here. It's just due to the parameters for the camera, but it does not matter. If you see any like red lines here, just do not continue. It may cause some issue. So usually you will see probably you will see some like red error. I bet it's due to the Kavaza USB to CAN adapter is not connected very well. Just unplug it and replug it again. So remember, this sensor visualization program not only launched all the sensor programs, but also launched the PACMod driver that interface this vehicle. So as you can see, the walls is here. Our LiDAR detects all the walls here, right? And the green markers are the objects detected by the radar sensor. And this is the camera. So this program also launched the GNSS module, so namely the IMU sensor as well as the GPS sensor. So for now, if you want to control the vehicle, use the joystick. The first thing is make sure that all the emergency button is not activated, as well as the brake pedal is all the way down. So after that, you cannot you need to launch another program to launch the program for the joystick to control this vehicle. So let's go back to our desktop. There's another icon named drive-by-wire joystick demo. Just double click this. You will launch this program. You may say, "Hi, there's a red like error here. What's happening is there?" So actually, this is not really a red error like an error there. It's a warning actually. So this is due to our joystick controller does not has the force feedback sensor on it. So ROS does not fix this kind of bug actually. So it is not really an error. It is a warning actually if you Google it. So this is fine for us. Let's go back to the RWays GUI. So in order to enable the pack mod, as well as use this joystick to control our vehicle, we need to press these two push buttons like simultaneously to activate it. So after that, you can try to use the left joystick to test whether you can control the steering wheel use your joystick controller. It seems it's good. Okay, and you can use these two joystick button. This button is for brake. This button, joystick button, is for acceleration. So this is a joystick button. It's not an on-off button. So when you press this, don't press it hard. That if you press it too hard, that means you give a very, very high acceleration for this vehicle. It will go very fast. So don't do that. Okay, we have already activated the joystick program to control our vehicle. Let's move our vehicle. Use this acceleration joystick button. So the first things you may say, we introduce like we want the vehicle to move forward, right? You need to press A. A is for forward. Let's press A, and we can see F on the panel. So in that case, we can control our vehicle. Let's just press this acceleration button like gently, and have your brake joystick button like your fingers here. Our vehicle is moving, right? So you can see from the GUI. And if you want to turn your vehicle, okay, you turn your vehicle, yeah. Just gently give the acceleration, not too hard. Yes, that's good. And you need to practice this a little bit. Right? So you can see currently I'm using the joystick to control our vehicle. You should always have your drivers like beside you in case any emergency happens. So could you take a picture? Yeah, take a picture of the steering wheel. Yeah, I'm using the joystick to control the steering wheel as well as the acceleration pedal. So you need to practice this a little bit. Okay, let's just move forward a little bit. Yeah. And if you want to brake this, you can use the brake button, joystick button to brake our vehicle. Here we brake. So that's the demo for how to do the joystick, how to use the joystick controller to control our Polaris GEM E2 vehicle, as well as how to launch the sensor visualization program. So, and if you want to see like what is going on like behind this, actually we use our joystick to sending some like signals or commands to the steering wheel as well as the brake and the acceleration correspondingly. So we publish some ROS topic, right? And this ROS topic will be subscribed by some other ROS topic. For example, the pack mod will subscribe this ROS topic and convert these like values to a CAN bus signal. Then send this CAN bus signal to this vehicle, and this vehicle can do the corresponding actions due to this. So basically, we send the left and the right turn. Use this left joystick. And we send these 3 buttons for forward, backward, neutral, right? To make this vehicle either to go forward and go backward. And we use this joystick button. Again, this is joystick button. It is not a push button just with on and off. So when you use this, don't push it too hard all the way down. Don't do that. This is very dangerous. But you can do this. This is the brake, right? If you really want to have a like sharp, like sudden brake, maybe it is not desirable. So you can also gently brake your vehicle, right? Um, yeah. In order to disable the joystick to control our vehicle, just simply like press this button, the left button. Okay. After you press this, it will disengage the joystick program to control our vehicle. Then you can control our vehicle manually. Okay, so this is our demo. Thank you.